Alright, this is Caitlin, and this is my bow, but I don't feel like putting it back in my hair. This is Felicia. This should be on Randomosity or Caitlin Third, something like that. Anyway, she is going to tell us a little bit about her little friend she calls her nuts.
My nuts. My nuts. You want my big round nuts? My nuts. They're so big, long, and brown. You want my nuts? Do the Michael Jackson ring.
Wait, okay. Why are they brown? Are you black?
You want my nuts?
No racism intended.
It ain't racism. What? My nuts. You want my big round nuts? My nuts. My nuts. I'm a big turtle with nuts. My big round nuts. My nuts.
Let's get a close in on them nuts right there.
My nuts.
Hold on.
My big round nuts.
Okay, there's some nuts.
My nuts. What?
Why don't they want her nuts, Christina? My mom's probably going to get mad at this video.
My nuts. You want my big round nuts?
Do the turtle thing again. That's funny.
My nuts.
Wait. Hold on. Your turtleness is deflated. Hold on. Okay. Wait. Shoot. There you go, now.
My nuts. My nuts. You want my big round nuts? My nuts. My nuts. You want my big round nuts?
Oh, this is why I love my neighbors.
My nuts. You want my big brown nuts?
Okay, Felicia.
Maybe they don't understand. Maybe one more time should do it. That's your cue, Felicia.
There's somebody coming. I hope you go.
My nuts.
Oh, well, just do the turtle thing. Turtle thing one more time really quickly. There's my stuff under her gym bag or whatever. Ooh, we have to back out of the way for this car. Probably. Alright, do the turtle thing.
That's what it's her.
Yeah, I love the turtle thing. It's funny. Hey, do this thing where you go, I'm a turtle, time to get back in my shell.
I'm a turtle. Time to go back to my shell.
You can't do that. That sounds like a cat. You gotta go, I can't really do it either. Have you seen The Master of Disguise?
Good me up, Bubba.
It's like that. It's like, Christina, what do you think about the economy? I'm just kidding. I don't even pay attention to the economy. Hello, Bubba, Christina, Felicia, Caitlin. Oh, shoot, I missed. Hold on. Caitlin. I'm such a dork. All right, there you go. Do this. It's time to go back in my shell, and then you gotta go.
Time to go back to my shell.
Hold on, let's so you can hear the little hiss.